Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Let's do a salad. I have some hadicchio, some iceberg salad, some endive, little bit endive. Just break it. And some arugula. Iceberg, hadicchio. So we have all the different variety of colors. Some arugula. Okay, so I put the salad in, and to make it a little bit sour, add a little bit sweet and sourness, I use a clean chopstick to put some sun-dried tomato. So I do not need to use any vinegar for this. Okay, and for the salt, I use olive, de noyau de, so there is no stone in it. And here comes the best part, apple. Ta 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 ta. I love this knife, and I will cut some julian apple. This envy apple I just washed. It's a little bit crispy, so I will cut it. Ready? I will zoom in. And I will cut into very thin julian. Ready, set. Look at it. It's so thin. I love it. Look at it. So this add a little bit sweetness, sourness, and I love it. Oh, maybe I should put some caper. Give me 1 minute. Look at it. I enjoy it so much. A little bit of caper. Caper, come out. Uh-oh, I need a little spoon. Okay, now I put some caper like this, and olive oil. That's it. And there is sweetness, sourness, and saltiness, and very clean. Maybe some pepper will do a good job also. Look at it. Oh, it smells so good. That's it. Let's put into a pretty plate. You can see the ahigo, the caper, the olive, the tomato. You see everything, right? That's it. Bon appetit. Do, 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 do.